Hello and welcome to Healthy Crush channel. On this channel, we teach you how to make super delicious meal without adding a single seasoning cube. Oh yes, I choose not to cook with seasoning cube because I don't want to compromise on my health. You probably would have heard one time or the other that seasoning cube is not healthy, but I know your challenge. How to make super delicious meal without adding those processed cubes. Well, if you stick to this channel, in no time you will be a pro on how to make super delicious meal without those chemical substances. Today, I'm going to show you the secret ingredients I use to make my chicken that makes it taste super delicious without adding any seasoning cube. Oh yes. Now let's get started. I start by blending my onion. I don't want to cut it. I don't know what you do, but this is what I do. I try to blend so that I will expose all the delicious nutrients to my meal. Okay, so after blending, I gently turn it into my pot. My chicken is already washed and is in the pot. Next, I add my habanero pepper. So my dear, if you've not been cooking with habanero pepper, you're missing. These are the secret things I use that make my chicken taste super delicious. Okay, so add your habanero pepper. Look for it. It's in the market. Go for it. It is super good. And then I add my salt to taste. Another very good thing that can bring out your taste when you're making chicken is your seasoning. And today, of course, you know what we use here, our secret seasoning powder. Yes, we don't add any other thing, ginger, garlic, all those. They are all packed in one. It's a complete package. Okay, so we add our seasoning powder, and then it's another secret ingredient, our Cameroon pepper. After that, we give it a good stir so that everything can get into our chicken. Okay, here you go. Your chicken is ready to boil. Okay, put it on the fire, let it boil, add a little water if you need the stock, and then when it boils, you're fine. The stock will be so delicious. Cover it to boil. That's it. Here you go. If you love this recipe, click that like button, subscribe, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.